Hi, I'm Sarah from ArrKann, and I'm here with one of our premier service experts, Terry.
Hi.
We're here to tell you about an exciting new product.
Wait, Sarah. You sound a bit like an infomercial.
Okay, I'm here to tell you about our annual maintenance and storage program.
Better, but you don't sound super excited.
Okay, you know what? Why don't you just do this?
I thought you'd never ask. I'm very excited to talk about ArrKann offering storage and maintenance programs.
So, I'm not sure how that's different, but moving on. At ArrKann, we love RVs, and we want to make sure that you can keep using yours for years to come.
The key to a long life for your RV is good maintenance, but I get it that it's really hard to find time to do that.
Especially since you want to actually use your RV all summer. And you know what? With our maintenance program, you can do just that.
There's tons included. We start by inspecting your tires, making sure you have good tread depth, no cracking. We do the bearing repack. We check your brakes, make sure you have good brakes.
So we'll make sure that you keep rolling down the road.
Sure, Sarah. We also lubricate your steps, locks, slides, and we check all the exterior sealants, roof.
So we make sure that you stay on top of your roof maintenance.
Yeah, and then after that, we even go to the inside. We check all your detectors, smoke detectors, CO detectors, propane detectors to make sure they haven't expired. And we check all your appliances to make sure they're in good working order. We even do a gas leak and pressure test to make sure your family's safe and have no problems with propane leaks. Those can be bad.
No one likes a gas leak, am I right?
I'm not sure what I did to deserve this. In the fall, we're even gonna bring in your unit and we're gonna winterize it. We're gonna take your batteries off so you can take them home and store them. In the spring, you bring the batteries in and we're gonna reinstall those for you, check the fluid levels, make sure they're fully topped up, make sure you're good to go. We're gonna fill up your propane. We're even gonna send you off with a pack of toilet paper and toilet chemical for your first trip.
If we do find any additional concerns while we're performing your maintenance work, we'll make sure that we'll contact you and provide you a clear quote for your approval before doing anything else. That way we can make sure that your RV's in tip-top shape for your first trip.
We'll store your RV for you the entire year with unlimited access during our regular business hours. If you want any more information on this great package, call us and we'll have one of our friendly RV experts answer all your questions.
Now all you have to do is go focus on having your best trip ever. Happy camping! Bye!
Bye!